So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine you're in your terminal, you type a few words, and suddenly an entire team of super smart AI specialists starts building a complete, beautiful mobile app for you all by themselves. Just pure futuristic magic happening right in front of your eyes. So, Gemini CLI just got some real futuristic power with the launch of Subagents on April 15th, 2026. This changes how we build apps forever. Today, I'm super excited to show you exactly how I used Gemini CLI and its new subagents to create a stunning motivational quotes app using Expo and React Native in literally minutes. If you're into AI powered development, mobile apps, or just love the idea of vibe coding something inspiring, keep watching because this is going to blow your mind. So, the idea is you want an app like a motivational quotes. One, you divide your big idea into smaller chunks just like you're the main developer leading a team. You have lots of team members, each one an expert in their own area. You decide to build the app, break it into pieces, and assign different tasks to each member. Every team member gets their own clear instructions, their own understanding of the project, and their own set of tools so they can focus perfectly without stepping on each other's toes. That's exactly what subagents do now inside Gemini CLI, and that's what we're diving into today. First things first, the setup is so easy it feels almost too good to be true. Just install the latest Gemini CLI using this npm command. Once it's installed, you launch it by simply typing Gemini in your terminal. It will ask you to log in with your Google account, and boom, you're in. The free tier gives you plenty of power with those strong Gemini models. Now type agents and you'll see the built-in ones right away, plus any custom ones you create yourself, super clean and straightforward. For this motivational quotes app, I divided the work into three specialized subagents because I wanted each part handled by an expert. I set them up right in my project folder under the Gemini agents directory. You can make them global for use everywhere. But for this project, I kept them local. First one is the Expo Arrange specialist. This guy is my go to expert for everything Expo React Native, Expo router, Tailwind styling, and making mobile UIs that actually feel premium and calming. Second is the quotes data handler. This specialist focuses purely on handling quote data. Third one is the UIOX designer. This creative expert polishes the visuals, adds beautiful gradients, subtle animations, dark mode support, and make sure the whole app feels motivational and premium. You just have to take these and create a file with the agent name and MD extension. You can do it using the nano editor or just like me with the cat and EOF command. Now, here's where it gets really fun. I launched Gemini CLI in my project folder, and I give one powerful prompt that calls all three agents at once and tells them to run in parallel. Within seconds, all three agents get started working independently. You can literally watch the files appear and the code get generated while the main session stays clean and focused. It's such a smooth experience. Nowadays these subagent style features are becoming more common. You'll see similar things in tools like OpenCode with the Oh My OpenCode plugin, and honestly, those are really amazing too. But here's the honest truth from using them side by side. A lot of those other setups can get token heavy fast. They sometimes over engineer simple tasks or start overlapping and bloating the context, which slows everything down. With Gemini CLI subagents, it's different and way better in my experience. Each agent runs in its own isolated context window with its own custom instructions and tools. They don't overlap or interfere with each other. The main Gemini stays light and in control of the big picture. That's the first big reason I love using this approach. The second reason, if you already enjoy the Google ecosystem and how Gemini works, this feels like home. The free tier is genuinely generous, and you get access to powerful state of the art models like Gemini 3 Flash and the Pro variants. It just clicks, especially when you're building something fun like this motivational app. So, after the agents finish their parallel work, I review everything quickly because Gemini always asks for confirmation before writing files, which I really appreciate for staying in control. And just like that, the app comes alive. I run npm expo start, opened it in the browser, the web version of it, and there it is, a clean but very buggy UI with some motivational quotes and an unaligned next button. It looks usable but not incredible. It can be if you give time to manually review the code and take help from the agents if you really want to make this app serious. But for now, the main goal is not making it good. It is understanding the idea behind working with Gemini CLI subagents, how dynamically and on demand a subagent can be fired and get the task done. This whole workflow shows how subagents turn you from a solo coder into someone leading an AI powered team. You stay creative, you make the high level decisions, and the specialists handle the heavy lifting without burning through tokens or losing focus. If you're watching this and thinking about what app you want to build next, whether it's a fitness tracker, a habit journal, or your own twist on motivational tools, try this out. Drop your app idea in the comments. The full custom subagent markdown files I used, along with the complete project structure tips, are linked in the description below. Also, check the official Gemini CLI docs for subagents because they keep improving fast. Thank you so much for watching. If this gave you that excited spark to go build something, drop a fire emoji in the comments and let me know you're trying it today. Subscribe for more AI development experiments. Hit the bell so you don't miss when Google drops the next big thing, and go create something that motivates not just you, but everyone around you. See you in the next one.